I'm Gayatri, working as assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic of lipids, proteins, nucleic acid and vitamins. Lipids may be regarded as organic substance relatively insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents, alcohol, etc. Actually or potentially related to fatty acids and utilized by living cells. The lipids are heterogeneous group of components. They are functions of lipids. They are concentrated fuel reserve of the body, triacylglycerols. Lipids are the consequence of membrane structure and regulate the membrane permeability, phospholipids and cholesterol. They serve as a source of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K. Lipids are the important cellular metabolic regulators, steroid hormones and prostaglandins. Lipids protect the internal organs, serve as insulating materials and give shape and smooth appearance of the body. Classification and chemical nature of lipids. Lipids, simple, it is classified into simple, complex, derived and miscellaneous. Simple, fat and oils, wax. Complex, phospholipids, glycolipids, sulfolipids and lipoproteins. Derived, fatty acids and alcohols. Miscellaneous, it is classified into aliphatic hydrocarbons and terpenes. Classified into simple ester of fatty acid with alcohol, fatty acid carboxylic acid with hydrocarbon side chain are the simplest form of lipids. Both saturated fatty acids, carboxylic acid with hydrocarbon side chain are the simplest form of lipids. Both saturated do not contain double bonds and unsaturated fatty acid contain one or more double bonds almost equally occur in natural lipids. The fatty acids that cannot be synthesized by our body and hence supplied through diet are essential fatty acids. Example, arachidonic acid. Proteins, these are the complex nitrogenous compound of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Sometimes they may also contain other elements like sulfur, phosphorus, iron, etc. They have high molecular weight and on hydrolysis, that is on decomposition of reaction with water, they form amino acids. Nucleic acid, these are the largest and most fascinating molecule found in the living matter. These are the carriers and mediators of genetic information from one generation to another and exert primary control over basic life process in all organisms. Like proteins, nucleic acid are also polymers. A carbohydrate classification, which have been already seen in previous slides. Carbon atom, depending upon carbon atom, it is classified into 5 categories, and depending upon the functional group, it is classified into aldose and hectose. These are the examples of aldose and hectose. Glycerolose, ethyrose, ribose, glucose, glucoheptose, and heteose dihydroxyoctane, ethyrolose, ribulose, fructose, pseudoheptulose. The amino acids which is having the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen chain, and it is classified into proteins and fatty acids, lipids and glycerol, monosaccharides. Carbohydrates is classified into monosaccharides, and DNA, RNA, it comes under a nucleobases. And all other molecules will be having the carbon chain, hydrogen chain and oxygen chain. And biological micromolecules, we have discussed about the carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid, proteins, and what are the examples present for all the biomolecules we have discussed. The recap, Today we have discussed about the lipids and what are the classification of lipids and what is the proteins and what is the carbohydrates and what is the fatty acids and are discussed today. Thank you for watching.